Good morning, Steve Zalunardo here with Treviso Realty. Don't mind all the blank walls. Clearly, we just had this office painted because we are moving to Bonita. So we are moving to 41 and Bonita Beach Road. So we're going to be 1.5 miles away from Barefoot Beach in Bonita, which is absolutely gorgeous. If you've been following our stories last week on Friday, we were there just hanging out because we went to go check in the office. So very excited about the move. I'm going to give us obviously the space that we need to grow because we'll have close to 1,700 square feet there with multiple office, our own boardroom, our own environment, reception area, a waiting area, our own kitchen, and good vibes. Clearly, that's the whole point of it, so we can create our own environment in there, which is very exciting. So looking forward to that. Quick thing on the market right now. Inventory is actually down. We're at 22,022 units, so down probably about 300 units since last week, just around there. But it's the sales that are actually rampant right now. So we're at 629 sales, and that's all through Southwest Florida, and not all of our section of Southwest Florida up to Cape Coral. And yeah, very robust right now. We're feeling it the same as well. Again, we did a few more deals on the weekend, so we're at, I think, 42 deals for the year, which is kind of crazy for a single effort. We're, again, on pace, hopefully, to get to 80 to 100 deals just here in Southwest, which would be great. And then up north, hopefully another 50, so we'll be maybe 150 deals this year, which is great. Again, it's lean, mean machine as well, so we're not have like a massive team where we're sharing leads with everybody. This is a single effort warrior business, so which is great. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So 629 sales. We've experienced even with the builders right now. So we brought Lennar. I'll give you a quick example. Just kind of, again, we are the canary in the mine shaft, so you get an understanding of what we're feeling here. We bring Lennar 4 deals 2 weeks ago, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, just around there. And they usually open up lots for me, or they'll work something around for me to get deals done, just based on to create sales. But again, their sales managers always forget who brings deals in the rough times when they're not making deals, and they won't open up any lots. So what happens is we migrate one of our investor clients, because they were going to buy 3 villas. We moved them into Pulte. So Pulte's got these beautiful Scenics, which is their smallest series in Verdana Village. They're 42-foot lots, single-family homes between 1,500 and 1,600 square feet, just around there. But really great units, like high ceilings, the 42-inch cabinets. It's going to be a way better product than Lennar, just based on the fit and finish, let's just call it. And we scoop these things under 400 grand, like $390, $385 for these particular units. They'll rent for like $3K a month, which is $2,800 to $3,000 a month. But the whole important part is that, so they didn't open up and we moved that buyer off. And now my clients, I'm happy this actually happened because they're in a better product. So basically, they bought it under $400,000. What's currently listed right now are between $479,000 and $499,000. So almost $100,000, $80,000 to $100,000 more than what they paid right now, like a current value. Resale last year, 9 of them sold. They sold the average sale price between $440,000 and $445,000. So again, it's already 10% above the last year's resale value, but at current this year, we're probably going to be about 15 to 18% right over the top. So good investment for them. And then so the last deal was a client of ours that sold everything up north, is moving down, relocating with his family, and ready to go kind of deal. Let's sign a contract. We brought him in and they wouldn't open up any lots for us, which is unfortunate. And we can't find a product because right now there's a niche section in Verdana Village under 600 or sub 600,000. There's nothing available. So if you have a sub $600,000 home, get it listed now. Currently on the market, you're going to get it sold quick. And so we couldn't find anything, so I had to send it out to the Facebook community group in Verdana Village. There's various groups, and literally just put out the beacon, and we went on an appointment we had like 5 or 6 leads. We went on one appointment to kind of fit our clients, suss the value. My client went back, then we started negotiating the deal, and ultimately we got ourselves a deal, which is great. So right now we have a buyer and seller that we've connected off market, which is fantastic, and that's happy for everybody. Happy for the seller, happy for the buyer, and obviously happy for business because we've double-ended it, and we did dual agency on that, or transactional broker on both legal terms, transactional broker on both sides of that transaction, which is great. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, we're in a full-fledged. I was hoping to take a little bit of time off, but again, we've got to keep the pedal down until there's no more gas in the tank. So let's keep it going. Have a great day, guys.